AI in simple terms, it's making the machine to think like humans and to do the actions which a normal human does. And how can you just make a machine to learn? So there are three ways to do this. Number one, supervised learning. So in which we just have a set of data and as well as labels for that. So and we used to use this to train the model. For example, let's take we just have cat and dog images and also we just have labels. So this image belongs to cat, this image belongs to dog. So we just have data as well as labels for that. We just have the input as well as output. We will just feed this into a model and it will just try to learn the pattern and behavior. So that's supervised learning. And the second type is unsupervised learning. So here we don't have labels. We just have the data and we used to give that to the model and the model will try to find the patterns present in that data. So let's take the same example. So cat and dog classification. We will just send that cat and dog images to the model and it will just try to observe the patterns in the images and based on that it will just segregate those images into clusters. So that's unsupervised learning. And the third one is reinforcement learning. It will work based on feedback. So for example, let's take playing a chess game. So for every step we used to have different moves, right? So at the starting we don't know which move to take. So what the model will do, it will just try to do some random moves. If it is a positive step, then definitely the model will get rewarded. If it is a negative step, then definitely the model will get punished, right? So based on that, it will just try to learn the patterns and in the next time when it is in the same situation, it will just try to use that previous feedback to take the step, to take the next move. So that's reinforcement learning. It works based on the reward and punishing. So that's about AI and that's the different types through which a machine learns. So that's all for this video. Make sure to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching.